Hello everyone, my name is Madhav and welcome to Gyanshala with Masti. Today we will be talking about the history of our humans, and basically in the history we will be talking about veg and non-veg and vegetarians and non-vegetarians. And today we will be figuring out what is better. So let us understand. So, about our history, our ancestors, which were the apes or the monkeys, they started eating vegetarian food long ago because there were a lot of trees and they got all the nutrients from the trees. But they had to eat a lot of trees and a lot of the leaves to get all the nutrition. And the cellulose present in the leaves also took a longer time to digest and to give the energy to the animals. So, when the temperature of the earth started rising about millions of years ago, so the plants died because they were some of the plants died because they were unable to adapt with the rising temperature. So the our apes had to look for another mode of nutrients, and that was the animals. So when they started eating the animals, they figured out that they digested pretty quickly, and also they gave all the nutrients in a smaller amount. Like if you eat dal or pulses of about 600 grams, it will give the same amount of protein as eating 200 grams of animal meat. So you are getting the same amount of nutrients in a smaller amount. So they had to eat less food, and they also got more energy from it and more quickly energy from it. So the extra energy they had, the extra energy started developing the brain, and our human body got small, but our brain started growing bigger. And we are one of the intelligent species, as we know, and we also have the largest brain among the mammals. So now you can see that the history of vegetarians and non-vegetarians. Now we will talk about some of its questions. So, non vegetarians, there's a theory that eating meat makes you aggressive. But that is not correct, because when we see the meat and eat the meat, our brain develops several compounds like dopamine or serotonin, and it also generates vitamin B12, which is very healthy for our body. And the other two chemicals make us happy. So it's not aggressive, but it makes you happy. And uh, many vegetarians in the northern India, 50% or 40% people have vitamin B12 deficiency in their body. So you can eat vegetarian, but you have to eat vegetable also, and you have to take vitamin B12 supplements also. And now we will talk about that what will happen if the whole world became vegetarian or non-vegetarian. So let us talk about vegetarian. So lot of food that is given to the kettles, and which are kettled to produce meat, like fodder is given to uh, sheep, or it is given to pigs. So that will be saved because there's no cattle farming and all of that stuff. So there will be extra 700 metric tons of food for us. And but we will still need more food, and till 2050 our population will be 900 crore. So we have to cut trees also. But when we do not do cattle farming, global warming will be relieved, and it will decrease by at least 50 to 60%. So that is also a very good thing. So these are the advantages of uh, as a whole vegetarian world. But now we will talk about non-vegetarian world. In the non-vegetarian world, there will be more global warming, and the way the animals are treated when they are kept in the poultry farms is very bad. So that will also be there. So there are many advantages as well as disadvantages to both of the stuff. So we have to take both of the things equally. so that we can also digest the food quickly, and because cellulose in the plants acts as a fiber, so it will also help digest the meat. So we should always take vegetarian and non-vegetarian foods in equal amounts. So hope you liked this video and you understood something. Please like and share the video, and please subscribe to the channel also. Bye.